Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to solve exercise 4a, book 2, question number 11. And it is related to factorization as the question says factorize each of the following expressions completely. So this question contains 6 parts and simply we need to follow the middle term breaking method and to solve all these questions. So let's solve question number 11 without wasting any time. So over here I have written part A and part B. So first let's solve part A. It says a square plus 3ab minus 4b square. So we are going to follow the middle term breaking method. So we are having a square and it could be considered as 1a square and 4b square. So if we multiply 1 by 4, the answer would be 4. Now we need to find the middle term of 3. So if we subtract 4 AB with 1 AB or AB, so the answer would be minus 3 AB. So this could be simply a middle term for this question, means a square plus 4ab then minus 1ab then minus 4b square. So 4ab minus 1ab would be the middle term. Now we are going to take the common. So over here the common is a, and so as it's a square, so 1a would be inside and then 4b, because a multiplied by 4b is 4ab. Then minus 1 is common and 1b is common. Then a minus minus is plus and then 4b. And if we solve these, so the answer would be in the same previous expression. Now one time we are going to write a minus 1b and one time a plus 4b. So this was part A. Now in part B we need to follow the same steps. We need to find the middle term of C for CD. So first of all we need to find the numbers. By multiplying those numbers we get 21 and by subtracting those numbers we get 4. So if we need to find for CD, so if we multiply 3d with minus 7d, so it would be 21d square. And simply if we subtract them, means 3cd minus 7cd, because we need to get the answer in CD. So 3 minus 7 would be minus 4, as 3 is smaller than 7, so minus 4 CD. So this would be the middle term for 4CD, minus 4CD. Okay, so I'm going to write c square, then this expression minus plus, it would be plus 3CD minus 7CD and then minus 21d square. Then we are going to take the common. It is C, then C plus 3d, and over here the common is 7 and d. Then C minus minus is plus and then it is 3d again. Now one time we are going to write C minus 7d and then other time we are going to write C plus 3d. So this was part A and part B of exercise 4A question number 11. So right now I have written part C and part D. First let's solve part C. So if we we need to first find the middle term of 7hk, and then if we multiply 2 with 15, the answer is 30. If we multiply 2 with 15, the answer is 30, means 2h square multiplied by 15k square. So answer is 30k h squares. Now we need to find a number by multiplying we get 30 and by subtracting we get 7. So if we multiply 10k square, if we multiply 10hk with 3hk, it would be same 30 k square and h square. And then if we subtract 10hk with 3hk, it would be 7hk. Same like this. Now we have found out the middle term, so 2h square plus 10hk minus 3hk minus 15k square. Now we are going to take the common, so it is 2h and h will be inside plus 5k. Then next 3k is the common, and then h minus minus is plus, and 5k. So in middle term we need to make sure that while we are factorizing, these two brackets must be same. Okay, so now we are going, one time we are going to write 2h minus 3k, and one time h plus 5k. Now in part D it's the same thing. First I'm going to multiply 3m square with 12n square. Okay, so 3m square multiplied by minus 12 n square, the answer would be 36 m square and n square. Now we need to find a number by multiplying we get 36 and by subtracting we get 16. So if we multiply minus 18 mn with 2mn, so it is 36 m square n square, and if we subtract them means minus 18 mn plus 2mn, minus plus is minus and 18 minus 2 is 16 mn, means we have get the answer, and it is minus 16 because the first value is negative. Okay, now we are going to write this expression 3m square minus 18 mn minus 18 plus 2mn and minus 12 n square. Then we are going to take the commons, 3m, then m minus 6n, then another common 2n and m minus 6n. So one time 3m plus 2n and one time m minus 6n. So this is how we have solved part C and part D. Now let's move towards the last two parts, E and F. So over here I have written part E and part F. So we are going to solve these questions in a bit different way. I am going to divide 3 with 15 and 18. If we divide 3 with 15, it is 5, and if we divide it with 18, it is 6. So p square, as 3 is common, with multiplied by 6 after division, q square. So p is considered as 1 multiplied by 6 is 6, p square, q square. Now we need to find a number by multiplying we get 6, and by add or subtract we get 5. After division this 5 has been converted into 15. I am going to write also, 3 is common, and then p square plus 5 after division pq plus 6q square. So now there are two numbers, by multiplying, like 3 pq multiplied by 2 pq, we get 6 p square and q square, p square q square. But if we add these numbers, 3 pq added with 2 pq, it is 5 pq, 5 pq and 6 q square. Now simply we are going to follow the idea of middle term. So we are going to write the middle term of it. So means 3 p square plus 3 pq plus 2 pq and plus 6q square. Then I'm going to take 3 would be the common, and then in other brackets I'm going to write p, then same bracket system, p as the common and 3q, then plus 2q, p inside plus 3q. Now 3 would be always the common, and we are going to write p plus 2q one time and p plus 3q one time. So this was part E. Now I have written part F. So I'm going to solve it in another way, different from part E. So first of all, I'm going to multiply 2r square t with 10 s square t. So after multiplying we get 20 and the expressions. Okay, now we need to think of our numbers. By multiplying we get 20, and by addition we get addition or subtraction we get minus 9. So if we multiply 4r square t with 5 s square t, so it is 20 and the values. But if we add them, means if we add 4 r square t with 5 s square t, it would be 9 or minus 9 if we change the signs. Okay, so and the variables means r s t. Okay, so we have finding out the middle term. Now over here the common is t, so I'm going to write first of all 2r square outside with the sign of negative, and in brackets I'm going to write 5 rst plus 4 rst and plus 10 s square t. Now we are going to take the middle. Now we are going to open these brackets. 5r square t minus 5 rst minus 4 rst and plus 10 s square t. S square t. Then we are going to do a simple thing, take the commons, means r t and then 2r minus 5s inside, then 2 st and 2r minus 5s minus plus is minus and 5s in the brackets. Now again we need to take t as the common, so t would be in the common area, and we are going to finish the means if we write in the bracket, so we are going to try r minus 2s. Over here it is written t, but t is taken as common, and then the same bracket means 2r minus 5s would be written. So this was part F. I hope you like today's video. In this video we have solved exercise 4a question number 11 of book 2. It was related to middle term breaking, and it has 6 parts which were pretty easy. So I hope you like today's video. If you like today's video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can get my upcoming videos. Okay, thank you and Allah Hafiz.